Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can redeem gift cards on Roblox. Now, firstly, to redeem a gift card on Roblox, you'll have to have your device connected to the internet and you'll have to open up your Roblox account in a browser. After you've opened up your Roblox account, you'll be on your home page. Now, on this home page, on the left side of it, you'll see this navigation bar. Now, on this navigation bar, you can click the final or the last option, which is the gift cards. Once you click on the gift cards option, you'll be redirected to this page. Now, on this page, on the top right corner, you see this redeem card option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the redeem card option, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, you'll have to fill in your gift card code here and then click on this redeem option. If your gift card code is valid and when you click on this redeem option, your gift card will be redeemed and the Robux will be deposited to your account. I hope this video helped you to redeem gift cards on Roblox. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video and do subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.